18 years ago, we told our little Katie bug that we wanted to move to a new house. She said to us, only if it has a barn. So we bought this house, had the barn that our little girl wanted. Little did we know it would be a site where she would get married. This barn is over 100 years old and has seen its fair share of hard times. We restored every aspect of this barn for you, Katie. We hope that you have watched and learned from this restoration, not how to use a saw, how to raise a barn or a beam, but that you love something enough to fight hard to keep it together.
Sometimes, can you believe it? Yeah, I swear I'm fine, that I'm alright, but I'm barely breathing.
Oh my God, you look so cute.
But when I'm with you, I'm no longer wondering. And when I'm with you, I swear I breathe. And when I'm with you, I know who I am and who I wanna be.
Katie, from the first time I met you, my instinct told me to protect you. I never could imagine that a simple gesture like that would lead me to a person that would make that feeling never leave. Life is full of surprises and blessings, and you were the biggest one I didn't know I need. Life will be full of changes, but one thing will never change, and that is my love for you. I love you, Skippy.
Blake. As a child, I never dreamed of what my wedding would be like. I hadn't put any thought into what my dress would look like, who would be my bridesmaids, and what my husband would be like. However, even if I had dreamt of this special day, my imagination would not have been capable of creating someone so perfectly made for me that you are. I have no doubt in my mind that you are my soulmate, and I can't wait to grow old with you. I love you with my whole heart, Daniel Blake Hodge.
When I'm with you, I'm no longer wandering. When I'm with you, I can finally breathe. When I'm